Hello dear friends, welcome back, welcome to a new reading, a general reading, a not time specific reading. Being a general reading, please take in account only what you feel that is resonating with yourself. I'm speaking here about energies, I'm not speaking about sexes. I use the characters in the cards in order for me to be able to express myself, but that doesn't mean that if I am expressing as a gender or to a gender, I am addressing only that gender. We all have both energies in us, feminine and masculine. Please bear with me because it's much easier this way for me to keep a storyline. Because I am speaking about energies, this also can interchange with the characters in the card. So that means that I may speak directly with you, Leo, because this is your reading, or I may speak directly to the cross-watcher. If this is your case, you will know it. You will recognize it from the storyline. Thank you for all of you who make donations. I appreciate them, so thank you. If you are interested in private readings, you can find all the details in the description box below. I like to let the cards come out by themselves. I know it can take a while. This is why the readings have chapters. So if you're not interested in this whole process, please feel free and go directly to the chapter that you are interested in. If you like what you are seeing, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, you're welcome. This being said, thank you again, and let's start with the reading. For all who have the Sun, Moon, Rising and Planet Venus in the sign of Leo, please. What's for their higher good to know now? What's best for them to know now? All who have the Sun, Moon, Rising and Planet Venus in the sign of Leo, please. Best messages for Leo, please. And everything that is in their higher good to know now. Now being the time that you are watching the recording. Three of Cups. Three of Cups can be a celebration, can be reuniting with family, with loved ones, celebrating something important, or it can speak about a third-party situation. So, let's see. For Leo, please. Two of Cups, Two of Wands, Temperance, Seven of Cups, Ten of Wands, Seven of Swords, the Devil, and Eight of Swords. At the bottom of the deck, you have the Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles is the energy that holds together your entire reading. Three of Pentacles can be that wave of energy that can move the reading in the direction that it wants to go. It also can be the energy in which you are right now. Sometimes it can be subtle and you're not conscious about it. Sometimes it's stronger and you are conscious about it. And sometimes it can be so strong that even people around you are conscious about this energy. Three of Pentacles speaks to us about new association, new partnerships, something that it's now being built. It's now the moment when you decide to start something new. It can be a new job, as I told you, a new partnership, something that you are building according to your plans, according to what you wish for yourself. You are the main character here, so you are the architect and also the main builder. It's something that it's starting because you are now conscious about the experience that you gathered, the knowledge that you have, in order for you to be able to make the jump from the stage of the apprentice to the master. It's a card that speaks about self-mastery, having the needed knowledge, having faith in yourself, in your capabilities, in order to start something new according to what you really want your life to look like. And you will have people to support you, you will have people to be there for you, but they will be always wait for you to tell them how you want it to be done, when, if, and so on. So you are here the main character. It's like you were in a very hard situation. You had that Three of Cups when I split the deck, and I told you it can be something that it's being celebrated or a third party situation. And having now the Three of Pentacles, it's like, for me, I'm seeing it like this. You already went through the hardship and now you are starting and celebrating your new start. Although at first it will be feel very hard, but you have all that you are in need of to start and make that jump and start and build something for yourself with your capabilities. Signs that are here: Temperance, sign of Sagittarius, and the Devil, sign of Capricorn. These are the two signs that are present. But Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords, it's somebody that it's also known as the thief. Somebody who steals, who lies, who does whatever he needs in order to get what he wants. He doesn't care if he's hurting other people in the process of doing that. He does usually everything, so he's not stopping if something is illegal or immoral. He's acting in the night, so he puts himself under the protection of the night. You are being disappointed of somebody that you felt like disillusioned yourself very much. It can also be the minor arcana of the Devil. If we are playing the role of this character in our life by auto-sabotaging ourselves, having a feeling, knowing that's not good, and then coming with all the reasoning, very logical reasoning, that we are simply dismantling everything that we felt like being truth for ourselves. The devil here, so fears, dependencies, everything that it can be that this character, because the character it's stepping away from this and going towards the devil. So it can be that they really manipulated everything in order for them to get what they wanted, and what they wanted was something easy earned, stalled, and this is creating you those fears, those, oh my god, what am I doing now? This character here are already freed themselves. The only thing that is keeping them in this environment is the fear created by the devil through manipulation, through illusion. That's the only thing that it's keeping them there. So, and this character took everything what he wanted, and maybe opted for the simple way out, the easy way out, because everything got hard. But this 10 of Wands speaks to me mostly about your perception of the situation. You are now in mental prison about this situation, what they did, the betrayal. Maybe it had to deal a lot with sexuality. They chose somebody else, and this puts yourself in a mental prison. What am I doing? How will I be able to come out of it, because I tried a lot of things and I cannot see the way out of this situation? This is mental imprisonment. It's like, it's not that you don't have good reason to fret about it, but the card is suggesting that you are giving too much thought to the negative part of the situation, and through that you are simply blocking the right solution to come to you. It's a very low vibrational energy. These 3 cards are low vibrational energy. The solution, it's always there, but the solution, it's in a higher vibration. In order for us to be able to see the right solution, we have to raise our vibration. So please make an effort to raise your vibration, to do things that you take a break from all this thinking of negative and I have no way out. Take a break, rest, recuperate, surround yourself with people that really know to love you for who you are, not what they can get from you. Do things that you are enjoying, dance, sing, write, paint, whatever you do that you are enjoying. Spend time in nature, surround yourself with children and animals, because they are of a higher vibration. By doing these things, laugh as much as you can, even if you want to cry, and try and find the hilarious part of every situation. Through that you can raise your vibration, and after you raise your vibration and you come back to the problem that you have, you will see the solution from it. But at this moment you are feeling like you don't have any way out, and you are simply the one. He's got what he wanted, and he's going its way and live his life exactly like he wants. And this is bringing a lot of fears in yourself, because you don't see any way out of it, and you feel all these burdens, and you are carrying all these burdens. But this is all already worst is behind you. You already went through this, and the moment that you are being able to see it, you are also becoming conscious that you took upon yourself too much responsibilities. Half of them were not yours, and the moment that you decide for yourself, you will start to release these burdens. They already are burning. It's simply transforming themselves into ashes, and the burden will become lighter and lighter, because you are starting and releasing those burdens. But you feel them very heavy, because for you this character felt like somebody that you looked at from the same level, in reciprocity. I give you everything that I have, and you had the impression that they also did that. And it's like something in you make you recognize this character as being your other half, and this is why it feels so burdening. It's like, I don't understand how from this it got to this. I simply cannot understand. And this is why you are being in this mental prison, because it doesn't make any logic. Manipulative, both of them, very intelligent, very knowledgeable how to put themselves into the light in order to get what they want, to make an illusion if you want, if this is the only way that they can make you stay, although it doesn't keep, nothing keeps you here, the illusion will, and the fear that comes with it. And now you are simply questioning yourself. Seven of Cups, what did I choose? Because Seven of Cups speaks to us about more than one opportunity, but from these all opportunities we only choose one. Between them can be things that are not so good for us, illusions, or things that are good for us. And now you are questioning, what did I choose? Did I choose an illusion? What shall I do? Again, I really think that you already went through this, and maybe this realization of the illusion is the main thing that keeps you, because you're stop trusting yourself, your thought process. And this is why you are feeling like, I don't have any way out, because I thought I'm choosing this, and I chose apparently this. But Temperance, you have Archangel Michael here. Who do you think that will win from this gathering? So you have to simply balance yourself, but it's speaking about inner balance at the heart level between passion and emotion, fire and water, gold and silver. It's sun and moon, white and black. It's speaking about this. And Archangel Michael, it's the best in knowing how to do this alchemy, very hard alchemy between these two elements, because if one of the element it's just a little bit more than the other, it can mean the end of the other element, because water can put fire down and fire can bring water to boiling and through boiling to evaporation. So in order for these two elements to coexist, they have to be in perfect balance. Ask Archangel Michael to work with you to achieve this balancing. It also speaks to us about divine timing. Everything happens in divine timing. Don't beat yourself too much about what you choose and so on. You chose a lesson that you had to learn in a hard way, but you learned it, and through the 10 of Wands, it's simply this lesson, because it hurts so much. You are integrating the wisdom behind the experience, and you won't forget it because it hurts too much. And in the future, you will be able to recognize signs that can lead you towards such a situation, but because you already integrated the wisdom at the 5 of Wands, you will already say, okay, I know where it's going, I was there, I'm not going there anymore again, so thank you but no thank you. And you will know how to make better choices for yourself, and you are doing it. You make this choice. You know that you are at the crossroad, and not only that ways are parting, but you know you have to make a choice, and you not only know that, you also do it and take action. 2 of Wands. And you are opening yourself to new horizons that will also help you regain your inner balance. It's taking action, going towards, maybe you are relocating, maybe you are traveling to another location in order to also put some distance between you and this character and this situation, but you are doing it for yourself in order for you to open yourself towards new horizons, new experiences that also can bring this balance back and bring other options in front of you. But now, after this experience, because you are mastering all this process, you will know how to choose to not be hasty and take your time in analyzing every option in order for you to be sure that what you are choosing is exactly what you want for yourself. This is a master class, not an easy one, but a master class, and it has to do with how we choose people in our life. Let's see. Strength. So, sign of Leo, you have the inner strength, and also it's like divine intervention that steps in and give you the needed guidance in order for you to be able to start acting, not only reacting of fear of or from fear. It's about recognizing the strength that you already have in you, that has nothing to do with physical strength. It's maybe somebody from Leo that is giving you that, although this is your sign. This is finding out, coming back to your own strength, finding that inner strength that makes you feel again like yourself. It's like coming back to your own energy. It has to do, Leo is the sign that has to do with unconditional love, with everything that comes from the heart. So that tells me that you are going through this situation, but this experience doesn't turn your heart into stone. You are simply recognizing the strength that comes from such an you are rediscovering your own strength. What's with the Seven of Swords, please? Tell me more about the Seven of Swords. Why is it here? Seven of Swords, please. Three of Swords, and it was in reverse, but the way that I took it from the table up is being upright, but it's in reverse. Three of Swords speaks to us about heartbreak. So this character broke your heart, but because it came out in reverse, it also tells me, yes, he broke your heart, but through the whole situation you find your inner strength, and by that you are starting and coming out from this energy of the betrayal. It's not that it doesn't happen, it's simply, okay, I've had enough, I learned my lessons, and this is it, I'm moving on. And this is you that is moving out of this energy, not that he's moving on in another direction. This is you coming out from the heartbreak generated by this thief, by this Seven of Swords character. What's with the Devil, please? Tell me more about the Devil, please. Manipulation, fears, dependencies, codependencies, not trusting your own capabilities, doubting yourself, sabotaging, others sabotaging yourself. What's with the Devil, please? Judgment, Ten of Cups, and Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands, this is your energy, this is fire energy. You are really stepping, it's like you are simply not provoking it, but standing up for yourself, standing up against this manipulation, standing up against your own fears, becoming again that fearless character that nobody can manipulate or make him do something else that he wants. It's simply you are coming out of this energy, bringing this trust in your own powers. It also can speak about a light worker. The light worker that you had the sign of Leo when I split this deck, and I told you that it's divine intervention. You get everything that you are in need of in order for you to start and act, not only react. And this is your own private line with divinity, and through that you are able to see the manipulation, to see the illusion, and you're not scared anymore because you recognize that you already freed yourself. Everything that was keeping you in this state of mind was the illusion, that was the fundament of fear. So becoming again fearless and simply telling this character or whatever it is for you, I'm not listening to you anymore. And by that, you are ready to start something new. Judgment. Archangel Gabriel. So you have Archangel Michael here and Archangel Gabriel. You simply hear his horn and answering present to it, because you are ready for another life, not another chapter. You are ready for another life, and that life to be exactly like you want it, like you know that you are deserving of. 10 of Cups, with respect, happiness, love, in reciprocity. This is what you wanted. This is what you wanted from start on, but you were led into an illusion by somebody that is very manipulative, and now you are seeing them for the manipulator that they are and saying them, I'm done, I'm stopping listening to your threats or whatever they do, because you are ready to leave everything behind and start something completely new, but the way that you want it to be. It can be that they may threat you with the family. You don't fear them anymore because you see them exactly who they are, and they don't have anything anymore with what to manipulate you. Eight of Swords. Those mental imprisoned, maybe because of family, maybe because there were children involved. You may felt for a long time that you don't have any way out, but you are seeing it now. Eight of Swords, please. Tell me more about the Eight of Swords. The Magician. The capacity of bringing into materialization everything that you are thinking. The moment that it's anyway, the magician has the capacity, having all the elements and the knowledge, he can bring anything into manifestation. But be careful what you are thinking of, on what you are focusing on, because if you are focusing on, I don't have any solution, I don't have any way out, you will manifest situation from which you don't have any way out and don't find any solution. It's the ball is in your court. You just simply have to focus on what you want. And this is what you want. A new life that is based on love, on reciprocity, on respect, honor. This is what you have to concentrate, focus on in order for you to bring these new beginnings, new life in this kind of energy to fruition. And it's possible. The key is to see it. And the moment that you are becoming conscious of it, you turn tables. And this is the moment. The moment is when you come back to your own energy and find your direct line with divinity. It's here. It's simply telling you, but you have to listen. Ten of Wands. What's with the Ten of Wands, please? Seven of Cups. Okay, Seven of Cups. Tell me more about the Seven of Cups, please. Why is, thank you, Wheel of Fortune. The moment that you recognize that you have the creative power. This is a co-creation. But as long as you don't believe it, I cannot say anything. The moment that you start and see that you are able to bring everything that you want into manifestation, Wheel of Fortune starts and goes in the direction that you want to go. Also, it tells me that, exactly as I told you, don't beat yourself over what have I done, what did I opt to. It was in a way destined. Why? In order for you to learn this lesson. But the moment that you integrate the wisdom of the experience, Wheel of Fortune can begin and turn in the direction that you want it to go. Ten of Wands, please. Tell me more about the Ten of Wands. So, thank you. Five of Swords. Five of Swords is speaking to us about a situation in which you were for a long time and you tried everything that was humanly possible to change, to bring changes, but nothing brought you to the result that you wanted. And it's like a battlefield. Every side is keeping his forth, and you change tactics, they change tactics. But at this moment, when it's very hard and you are feeling these burdens, comes also the epiphany, in which you are starting and thinking that you invested so much time, so much emotion, maybe even money, maybe all of the above in this situation, and it didn't brought you the desired result. And now you are asking yourself, why am I continue and staying in this hard situation? I already tried everything. So if I continue to stay in this situation, is a bad investment for me. So I'm out of here. And this is the moment that you are saying, I'm out of here. And the moment that you are starting and saying, I'm out of here, and you are leaving the situation because you already know that you did everything that was humanly possible, everything starts, the burdens are starting to release. It was only your fear, only your perception that you don't have a way out. Of course you have. But they were master manipulators. He's the master puppeteer. What's with strength? Sorry, not with strength, with temperance. Why is it here? Because you need to make this inner balance. Tell me more about temperance, please. Why is it here? Page of Pentacles and Two of Cups. The moment that you are starting and work to bring this balance back, to balance everything back, you are being upgraded to another level. It's like being upgraded to a level where you can really start and not only attract but bring into manifestation relationships that really are from this energy. This character is simply feeling the other character's cup with everything what they have. So this is such a pure and delightful energy, the Two of Cups. It's like, in order for you to be able, it's not a conditioning, but you will be much more capable of elevating yourself to a higher vibration through this balancing, so that you attract in your life people that really know how to cherish you, how to respect you, to give you exactly what they are getting from you, not only take from you and not giving you anything in reverse. So Page of Pentacles is the moment when you are being upgraded because you integrated the wisdom that had to come with this experience, and through that you are learning now new skills that can make you bring to manifestation everything much more easier. Pentacles, seeing it for real, being palpable. It's not only a wishful thinking, it's because you are making this inner balance, you are simply elevating yourself in a higher vibration from which you can bring into manifestation the kind of relationships that you want for yourself into this life. Two of Cups. Let's go to the other Two of Cups. Tell me more about the Two of Cups. Hanged Man. The Hanged Man speaks to us about enlightenment. It took you a while, and in this period of time you felt like being trapped, like being held, like everything was against you. It's like, I cannot see, I cannot understand, I have sensation that I have it, but also I have the feeling that something is slipping through my hands. It's like when you are trying to keep sand in your hand, and because of it you were what's the word, please? You wanted to do everything that was in your power in order for you to understand. And this is why the hangman puts himself in this uncomfortable position in order for him to be able to change his perspective and to be able to see what he didn't saw, to be able to get what he didn't got, and waits in this position the sun. And when the sun comes at the head level, the enlightenment happens and you are able to see, to understand, to get, and are able to change the position because you see it. It took a while until you were able to see the situation. The situation, as I'm seeing it here, it's not about the other. It's about yourself. It's about how you put yourself in this situation. And seeing now, you are not only able to see them in their right light, but also see yourself as the one who is able to bring everything into manifestation. It's speaking about enlightenment. It's speaking about having that information coming through so that you can make that change of perspective regarding this character, but also regarding your capability of manifesting. But this will be when you are starting to come back to your own energy. It's like when you were in this situation, you didn't felt like being yourself. Two of wands. The moment that you are deciding, the moment where you simply choose your path, acting on it, and open yourself to new horizons, to this kind of horizons. Two of Wands, please. Tell me more about the Two of Wands. Why is the Two of Wands here, please? The crossroad. You know you have to choose. And not only choose, but also act. Seven of Wands. You are simply but surely coming back to your own energy, the fiery energy, and you are standing up for yourself and standing your ground and put healthy boundaries in order for you to go on your path exactly like you think that it's good for yourself, and for you to be able to open yourself to new horizons. You have to put healthy boundaries, because enough, it's enough. Don't be afraid, because you're not alone in this. So I'm not saying it's easy, but you have everything that it takes to become a success, to step out of this twisted, codependent relationship where they took everything from you and you tried everything to make it work, but they were not interested in, and simply move towards what you really want your life to look like. Best advice for Leo at the end of the reading, please. Holy Amethyst, Divine Alchemy. So in order for you to be able to start and regain your inner balance, also work with the violet flame to transmute, to transform everything that is not longer serving you into something that is for you. Sorry. Holy Amethyst is the twin flame of Archangel Zadkiel, the angel who helps us transmute negative experiences into love and learning. He is the keeper of the violet flame, which helps us release anything that is not longer serving us. Holy Amethyst also enables us to look over our past fears and challenges and draw wisdom and learning from them. Unlike Zadkiel, for many years she was not mentioned into spiritual texts, and I believe this was because her miraculous support wasn't needed on earth as it is now. To connect deeply with her light, hold her namesake crystal. You are ready to move beyond energies or situations that are no longer helpful to you and make space in your life for something more purposeful. You may feel a real need to clearing out, not only mentally or emotionally, but physically too. There is a sense that you are moving beyond challenges and forging golden opportunities from stagnant or unhappy experiences. It's important to recognize that you are like a magician at this time with the ability to use your thoughts, will, and actions to bring about life fulfilling and dream enhancing opportunities. It's important to focus on what you desire and not what you fear, because what you give your energy to will literally begin to flourish. Call on Holy Amethyst to help you focus on golden opportunities. Thank you, because it's simply repeated. So, you really have allies. Work with them and see you on the other side. Take care. Bye.